So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA 6th Man of the Year award winner futures bet here on Bet365. So once you're into your Bet365 account, go to the home screen, go to the top left and press on the NBA logo. Then to get to the Futures tab, slide this top bar all the way to the right towards his Futures between standings and teaser cards, press on Futures. And to get to the 6th Man of the Year award, go down to the bottom to where it says to win outright, press on that to get this drop down menu. And you can slide down, there's a whole bunch of different options here. There's regular season awards, there's regular season MVP, all this sort of stuff. What you can do is actually just go to where it says regular season awards, right below where it says win outright, and press on that right there. And as you can tell, there's the Rookie of the Year. We don't want that. We'll scroll down. Defensive Player of the Year. We don't want that either. Keep scrolling until you come across not Most Improved Player, but this next one should hopefully be not the Coach of the Year, but there should be one more that actually says the Clutch Player of the Year. Oh my goodness, I can't even find it. There we go. 6th Man of the Year all the way at the bottom. Press on that, and then you can place a futures bet on who you think the 6th Man of the Year award should be. So place, grab your player. So let's just say we wanted to do Cam Thomas, for example. We'll press on Cam Thomas, go to the bottom, press on set wager, and then place your bet on the bottom right. So that's how you guys can place an NBA 6th Man of the Year award futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.